Hello, welcome to Data Design Solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to design this piston connecting rod assembly in Autodesk Fusion 360 software. Let us start with the design of piston. First of all, we need to create one sketch. For that one, select the create a sketch and then try to select the one plane and then try to draw the lines as you are seeing now for the piston with vertical distance 55 and then horizontal line should be 40 mm, and then again we need to draw the piston rings. For that one, draw the lines as you are seeing now with vertical distance 5 mm and then horizontal distance is 4 mm. Again vertical distance should be 2 mm and then horizontal line should be 4 mm. We need to repeat this operation again and again at least 3 or 4 times. Again select the line command and then try to draw the vertical line with 2 mm and the horizontal line should be 4 mm. Again 2 mm and again horizontal line 4 mm, vertical line with 2 mm, horizontal line with 4 mm. Again line command, horizontal line 4 mm. Again we will change here itself, make it this last groove should be 3 mm is enough, and then try to draw the line make it a closed profile. For that one we need to draw the lines as we are seeing now. Yes, perfect. And then try to exit from workbench, click on home button, then try to select the revolve feature and then try to select the axis. Yes, but one thing here we need to put as a new component. Click OK and then we need to create one sketch here. For that one, create a sketch, select it and then try to draw the circle up to 75 diameter is 75. Then try to exit from workbench, make it a extrude, make it up to make it 35 is enough. Click OK. Then again we need to click on home button. Again we need to create one sketch. For that one, create a sketch, then try to select the plane and then try to draw the one horizontal line with a 35 mm distance. Again we need to draw the here it's in opposite side also, make it as like a previous one 35, and another line we need to draw the with vertical distance 15. And then try to draw the one arc, 3-point arc, make it and then try to delete these horizontal lines and then try to make the closed profile. Perfect. And then try to exit from workbench, may again select the extrude command, make it symmetry, cut, click OK. The piston is almost over. Again click on home button, again create a sketch, select the plane and then try to draw the one circle for the gudgeon pin and give the dimensions. The dia should be make it 12 mm is enough. And then the distance between this circle from origin point, make it 20, sorry, make it 25 is enough. Yes, perfect. And then try to exit from workbench. Again try to select the extrude command, make it cut, make it symmetry. Yeah, click OK, click on button. Yeah, the design of piston is over. Now we need to design the wait, we need to make a fillet here with 1 mm. Yeah, is enough. Now we need to create the connecting rod. For that one, create a sketch. Again try to select the plane, same again repeat the operation like again. Try to draw the circle with a dia 12 mm. Again try to draw the one another circle with a dia, make it a 50, too small, make it 20. Yeah, is enough. And again try to draw the one vertical line downside up to 120. Yeah, and here also we need to draw the circle with a 35 dia, circle with a 20 mm dia. I think these are not enough. Make it this one 40, and then make it this circle 30. Make it 45, make it 30. Yes, perfect. And now we need to draw the lines. Select the line command. Yeah, again try to draw the one vertical line up to 90 mm. Yeah, and here also try to draw the one line. It should be an horizontal, make it up to 30. Yeah, is enough. Again vertical line upside up to make it 20. Again try to select the arc, 3-point arc, and then try to draw the arc as you are seeing now. Yeah, now we need to make the mirror this line. Select the mirror command and then select the axis, then click OK. Yeah, now try to trim the unnecessary lines like as I am doing now. Yeah, and then make it this profile also close. For that one, select the line command, make it up to 20 is not enough, make it 25. Yeah, perfect. Again here also 25. Try to, yes, it is a closed profile. And then exit from workbench, click on home button, select the extrude command, make it a new component first of all, and then select the symmetry, and then try to select the symmetry up to 50 mm, it means 7.5. Yes, perfect. And then try to fillet the connecting rod at the edges with 10. Yeah, again repeat the operation for opposite side also. click OK. Again try to rotate the part. Again fillet command 10, sorry, make it a 10, fillet 10 mm and downside also. Yes, make it home button. Now we need to design the connecting rod also over. Now we need to design the crankshaft. For that one, again select the create a sketch, try to select the plane and then try to draw the 2 circles as I am doing now. Make it a 50 mm or 55 dia and then try to draw the another circle. This 75 and then try to draw the distance between these two. Make it 60. Yeah, 60 also look like a bigger. Make it 55. Perfect. And then try to draw the lines, horizontal lines, and then for this one also, and try to select the arc, 3-point arc, and then try to select the arcs. Yes, and we need to draw the one vertical line. For the mirror command, select the center axis. Yes, click OK. Now try to trim the unnecessary lines as I am doing now. Sorry. If you observe, it is not coincident. We draw the circle for another line, that's why we need to check it. Again try to select the arc, 3-point arc, select this center, and again make it a one vertical line between the 2 centers and make it a mirror. Click OK, and then now try to trim the unnecessary lines. First of all, we will see here. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now try to exit from workbench, home button, and then select the extrude command. Make it offset up to 30 mm. Make it a new component. Select the 10 mm is enough. Click OK. Yes. and again we need to extrude this sketch, make it offset up to 30 plus 30 plus 15 up to 10. Click OK. Perfect. Again try to select the sketch and try to draw the one circle with 30 mm dia. Then try to exit from workbench. Again extrude command, select it. Here make it a joint. Make it home. Yes. Yeah. Click OK. Perfect. And the component is perfect. And also here we need to draw another sketch with, try to draw the one circle here with a 35 mm is enough, dia 35. Then origin, the distance between them, make it a 75 is enough. Perfect. Yes. Then try to exit from workbench, extrude, select the sketch, make it up to 70 is enough. This is also joint, make it a joint. Click OK. Yes. And again you need to repeat the operation here also. Again select the sketch, try to draw the one circle with a dia 35, and then distance between the origin is 75. Perfect. Then try to exit from workbench. Again extrude, select the, it should be joint and up to 70. Perfect. Click on home button. And again we need to create a sketch and then try to select the plane and then try to draw the one circle with a dia 12 mm. Perfect. Then try to exit from workbench, home button, extrude command, select the new component, rotate the part, it should be symmetry. Yeah. Click OK. Make it home. Yeah, the design is over. Now we need to make it a simulation. For that one, simulation or assembly, select the further. Before that we need to draw the another component here, sketch it and then try to draw the one circle. Dimensions is not required. Exit from workbench and then extrude command and make it extrude. It is a new component. Yeah. Click OK. Make this component as ground and then make a joint. Try to rotate the part and then motion is rotation. Yes. Click OK. And for connecting rod also we need to do again. Yes. Perfect. Click OK. And we need to do Again try to select the joint. Make it on. Make it a distance. I think 30 is enough. Let's see. Yeah, 30 is perfect. Home. Click OK. But we need to do another. We need to create another part. Make it this one hide also, and then try to create a sketch and sketch it, and then try to draw the one circle. Perfect. Dimensions is not required. Sketch it, extrude, and make it here a new component. Select the sketch. Yes. Click OK, and then this make it this comma part also ground. If you try to rotate the part, yes, it is rotate like this. Original position, and then try to select the joint, select this line, and then here make it a slider. Yes, perfect. Click OK, and then make this one also hide. Now we can rotate the yes, the assembly of connecting rod and piston also over. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.